YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Ocean Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. 400 likes if you don't mind. Appreciate it. Thank you. Definitely do see the title. Yes, I went ahead and picked these joints up as I said I would. Give me a second. There we go. Do not disturb. All right, bet. Always there's an issue. Well, not really an issue, but like I said, I went on the FLX app and the Champs app to go after these. FLX, boom, no problem. Champs, it kept saying like, it was like, yeah, they're picking their the winners, selecting the winners. So I'm like, all right, go back about 30 minutes later, yeah, selecting one. So I'm like, damn. So I think I get on that joint about 6 or 7. I don't know, cause I'm just continuing. Then I'm looking, bruh, they logged me out. Like, how am I supposed to know this? Full Locker ain't logged me out, not that I remember. But anyway, then I log in and it's like, yeah, you know, but whatever, man. Full Locker was closer, so a win's a win. But anyway, shout out to Full Locker. Yeah. Oh, and when I was in there, you're definitely gonna need this for these. Yes, sir. Yeah. Anyway, boom. I did take a little look at these joints already, but man, it's been raining all day and now it's looking like it's stopped. And I'm a little tight because I like to get a lot of my B-roll outside, but shout out to my guy at Famous Nobodies. Got my B-roll inside of that store and I got to pick up another fitted. And oh, you know what I'm saying? Speaking of, but anyway, yo, so boom, here go the Jordan box right here, black top, Air Jordan 9 Retro, size 10. Got the battery.
Now you know Master don't hold with that.
Anyway, boom. Let's see. Damn. There they go right here. Yeah, first time me holding them joints, but as of me looking quick in the store and right now, yeah, I don't seem to have any flaws. I do see a peak, but yeah, I ain't tripping on that. I do kind of wish that I hit on the sneakers app, but yo, whatever. I got them today, so I ain't really tripping, but I would definitely like that 10%. I miss how Foot Locker doesn't give the military discount anymore. Speaking of, okay, I might have one little flaw right there. So this is a white sneak. You can definitely see that. Yeah, but no, this is it's definitely a nice sneak. I went ahead and got a size 10 because these joints are kind of narrow. So I know this was back in the day. I could have 0.5 down, but pause. But you know, it's all good. But yeah, let me know. Y'all cop these or what? But let's get into it. Jordan 9 sole right here. It's white. Got your powder blue or UNC blue Jumpman right there. Now, if this was a foam posit, it'd be carbon fiber, but these are kind of like mini and bigger shank like though. Going on up, you got your hieroglyphics. Nah, just playing. But you got some crazy designs in the sole. 1994 right there. That was the year that my Knicks was supposed to win the championship or whatever. You got some more patterns in the sole right here. Don't know what any of these wordings stand for. Don't really care. You know what I'm saying? Just want to rock them joints. All right. Anyway, we're going to take it to the medial side. The medial side. You see it's that white sole right there. You see hits that white sole right there. Powder blue midsole. Like I said, you can see that flaw right there. The upper is all white and it's leather. I'm not even gonna say predominantly, it's just all white and leather. Got some elongated patterns right here on the upper. Black laceless right here. You only have one eyelet. It's on both sides, obviously. Speaking of sides, let's take it to the lateral side. Side gets all the what? The lateral side, color-wise, same as the medial side, except right here, you got your black Jumpman, powder blue, or Carolina blue, whatever you want to call it. Moving on up, the patterns right there, yeah, they're indented. And if I'm not mistaken, these patterns right here on the medial and lateral side, they do look micro-perforated, but I don't really believe it's intended to be like real perforated, like going through the sneak or whatever, but let's move it on up, like the Jeffersons. You got your black laceless right there, and your eyelet right here. All right, now we're gonna take it to the toe box. Definitely gonna get wrinkly fast. But anyway, white toe box. Oh, I see a peak right here too. Okay, you got a peak right here. Then you got a peak right there. Then you got your black mesh section right there going all the way up to the tongue. Air Jordan lettering in powder blue. Black laces, I always forget about those. Take to the back of these girls. No pause necessary. The back, you see hits to that white sole right there. Powder blue midsole. I wish 23 was back here.
Pause.
But it's white. Pull tabs right here. They're black. You got your powder blue Jumpman logo. Looks kind of like a globe with latitude and longitude lines. Inside your sock liner is powder blue. Will he do it? Will he do it? Black insole.
Nike Air lettering in the swoosh in white.
Check this out. Yo, who So obvious. So that's I doubt it went like that, but let me see. Okay, what's that? That's my wrote on my insole. So they got I'm guessing these are sizes. They got size 8 saying that there's 2, size 9, pause on all the sizes. You got 8, 10, you got 6, 11, you got 6, 13, you got 4, and 12, you got 4. I would think that the store carries more than that.
Pause.
So while I was doing this review, I did manage to stumble across some flaws. Nothing crazy. It's just the fact that it's my sneak, so I'll be able to see it. Nobody else will be able to see it, like, especially not in passing. You really have to, like, you know, magnifying glass. But yeah, the peaks, I ain't tripping on that. But where the seams come together on the medial side, see that? It's kind of, am I tripping though? Again, bam. And the lateral side, this one's not too bad, but this one you could definitely, yeah. But you know what I'm saying?
No, hey, what are you saying?
Nothing's meant to be perfect. But yeah, man. If I missed anything, my bad. Again, let me know. Y'all cop these joints, or y'all gonna wait for these to go on sale? Me, I'm just glad I copped first pair. Probably gonna be on ice for a little while. I got the Legend Blues that I still need to rock, so I'm pretty cool. I'm still surprised that I went after these like first day, being the fact that Carolina Blue is FUBU to me.
For us, by us, on the low.
This lime green, it's all FUBU.
The look, the style, the vibe, the feel.
I'm glad that I got these though for nostalgic purposes. This silhouette is nowhere near like a sought after silhouette for me. I only got the cool grays, these now, and I do want the OGs when they come out. The Space Jams. I want the Space Jams when they come out, definitely. And that'll be it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, pretty much. But anyway, man, about to get up out of here. Y'all ready? Top 5 best on foot coming up next. I think it did start raining outside, so you'll probably notice that I did go out and get some better B-roll. I want to shout out the Wave Mom. Shout out everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Let me know what's the next sneak y'all going after.
Oh man, that's my business.
Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter B.
We got skunk spray or licorice. You ready?
But that's Snups.
Ready to go.
It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga.
New York was good. Stand up, it's your boy Max, biggest brother. I know y'all forgot about me, but I'm back like I left my car keys. Ow.
Paid to do this shit.
I ain't not thinking about niggas, but if they come with the triggers, nigga, they all could bleed. Nigga, they all could bleed. I told your hoe to get with us. Shorty, I drip on the dribble. She licking it off for me. She licking it off for me. Shooters with me, you ain't acting right, man, they'll do you wrong. Hammers booming like a shaka locker, then I move along. Coolin' now when I be coolin', then I make the coolest songs. Cooler how I wanna cool. 09, I was cool. Learn your history. 505 and 28, that was my street. 10 of us lived in a house and half the house was shooting deep. Remember stepping over needles in the backyard, shit get deep. In my right hand was the Cheeto back. Now I need a needle cash. Lotus like a lotus, know them flying things. Bzz. Go on hocus pocus, know them flying things. Ever since you was in the trying things new. Shooby-dooby-doo, how many souls ain't got a clue now? Who y'all beat it for? I make a fool, y'all shoes, y'all knew y'all. Green dot on your forehead, you retarded, fuck it, booyah. Beat it for a nigga, make a fool, y'all shoes, y'all knew y'all. Green dot on your forehead, you retarded, fuck it, booyah. I ain't not thinking about niggas, but if they come with the triggers, nigga, they all could bleed. Nigga, they all could bleed. I told your hoe to get with us. Shorty, I drip on the dribble. She licking it off for me. She licking it off for me. Shooters with me, you ain't acting right, man, they'll do you wrong. Hammers booming like a shaka locker, then I move along. Coolin' now when I be coolin', then I make the coolest songs. Cooler how I wanna cool. 09, I was cool.
Ain't no, I get paid to do this.
Tell them. Woo, woo. Tell them. Woo, woo. Tell them. Woo. Like a, yeah, yeah. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause all of my paper out. Friends they come and they go. But I keep that paper out. When them ones hit the floor. Girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone. Cause I'm gonna pay the just let my hood see. Poppin' cause the hood breeze. Texas coming in now. I fuck up a good thing. Promise you I've been down. Seen all what the hood brings. Talking about you talking, why you talking? Ain't tryna put me on, man, and I ain't off it, I ain't off it. I'm tryna get my babies with daddies, never gave to me. So if you ain't tryna pay me, just let me be. Hit them with a nice flow, that's just how the dice roll. Nigga, I am ice cold. They should call me Dice Cube, and I'm nothing like you. Put a thing in like you. Bang, 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 bang. Tell them bums leave me alone, 'cause I want my paper route. First they come and they go, but I keep that paper round. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, 'cause I want a paper route. Funny niggas I can never stand by. I promise that career's gonna be on standby. Everybody landslide. Stick you in the morning, put your hands out. I'm early for that paper like your grandpa. You wouldn't understand. Silly puppets bragging like they changed up. And whether up or down, I never changed up. You should be the same, bro. Plenty bills, we got them hanged up. That itty bitty still leave you stained up. About to switch the game up. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire, what a beautiful sight. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire, what a beautiful
Y'all
sight.
niggas do, I don't do. I do the other thing. Everything. Y'all niggas go across the street that way, I'm going up. I'll let your boy. I do other things.